Hello friends, welcome to the channel Beauty and Wellness Tips. Today we'll see how to get rid of dandruff, reduce hair fall and have a good hair growth. Let us see what are the ingredients required for this. First one is vitamin E capsule of 400 grams which you can get in any medical or fancy store. Second one is rum and the third one is healthy oil, olive oil. Now let's know the significance of these ingredients. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It helps to generate the hair tissues, hence will help in hair growth. Rum acts as antibacterial, thus will be helpful in dandruff removal. And olive oil will moisturize the layer of your skin. So, what we have to do is, we have to mix all the ingredients and nicely apply on your hairs and scalp. Massage gently for about 15 minutes and then you have to give steam. For that, what you have to do is boil the water, dip the towel into that and wrap your hairs around it. After keeping for around 15 minutes, wash your hairs. Apart from this, you also need to take care of your diet for healthy, silky and shiny hairs. For that, the important nutrients are, first one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are an essential source of energy and helps in the growth of body tissues and hair tissues. So it is important to consume more of complex carbohydrates like vegetables, fruits, whole grains and brown rice rather than simple sugar and white flours. The second nutrient is protein. It is the building block of hair, so a diet for healthy hair should make up at least 20% of your daily calories. Protein provides strength to the shaft of the hair and reduces chances of hair fall by snapping and splitting. Foods high in protein are soya, tofu, dairy products like milk, curd, paneer, cheese, nuts, oilseeds, beans, and pulses. Third one is vitamin A. It is essential for hair growth and a healthy scalp. Beta carotene is found in green and yellow vegetables and fruits and sweet potatoes, broccoli, apricots. The third is vitamin E. It increases oxygen uptake and improves circulation, thereby improving hair health and growth. Add vitamin E to your diet by consuming foods like avocados, rice bran, nuts, dark green vegetables, legumes and whole grains. Now next is vitamin K. The lesser known vitamin helps to maintain healthy hair. Food sources of vitamin K includes dairy foods, figs, asparagus, broccoli, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, dark green leafy vegetables, oatmeals and etc. To ensure that your hair is healthy and does not split, include foods rich in different vitamin Bs. These includes whole grains, beans, lentils, plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially citrus fruits. And the last but not the least is iron. It helps to carry oxygen to the hair. Without enough iron, hair and follicles are starved of oxygen. This means that the goodness in the root of your hair is much less effective along the length of your strand. So consume more and more green leafy vegetables containing lots of irons. So that's it guys. Thank you very much. If you like the video, like, comment and share and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.